What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? You doing good or what? Oh wait, one sec. All right, let's do this. Bank holiday yesterday. I definitely did not trade. Maybe some of you did. Today, Pow is speaking at 12:20. That is a little bit far away from market open, almost 3 hours away. Will that mean low liquidity and low volatility for those 3 hours? I'm not too sure. Usually it's a little slower, and after a bank holiday too, usually price is a little slower. So maybe it's a slow market open, and then when Powell speaks, we finally get the move for the day, but that is not when we want to trade because it's late in the day and it's during high impact news. So let's start marking and chucking. Cool. All right, cool. Oh yeah. Yeah. This was popping on the daily. Friday was a crazy day. You saw my reel or my short, and you know I got destroyed on Friday. I wanted to reach all-time highs, but people said otherwise. We already did fill the daily gap, and that is why we are moving down even more. Fill the daily gap. Maybe want to reach these lows and sweep up, or reach these lows and then continue down to these lows. Right now, I am bearish just because we filled the daily gap, and that definitely means something to me. To a guy like me, that means something to me. That means something to me. Same thing on NQ as well. Daily gap hit. So we move downwards. You hear me? Making some thumbnail faces. You know what it do? You're my boo. Ain't nothing changed you. Tie my shoe. Um, ain't nothing wrong with you. Look up. Sky blue. Um, yeah, that's it for me. So we already have had this big move down since filling the gap, and that was yesterday. Yesterday night. So we've already been bearish for 10 hours, maybe 11. Do have a 4-hour gap here, but I'm not specifically going to mark it out. So we have this little, I don't know what you call this. You call this slippage. It's just like new day gap. Okay, ES is, I was going to say currently more bullish than NQ, but both these 1-hour candles have turned bullish. So I'm wondering if we reach London highs and maybe sweep down, or what? Because we have swept Asian lows, and we got a little retracement at 6, 5, 7. Three-minute. Yikes. Do I think we're going to retest this daily gap? It's possible. We'd have to inverse multiple gaps to reach this. And market usually moves slow. After a bank holiday, I don't expect us to come reach these highs. Maybe London highs, and maybe we get into this gap, maybe. But I don't see us reaching all the way up here. Maybe when Pow's speaking in 3 hours, but ma. Hmm. Side. Any Rhode Island chatters? Let me know. Let's grab some clamp strips by the pier. What am I yapping about? What am I yapping about? What am I yapping I'm not seeing any SMTs. Hmm. Interesting. Market open. Getting a bearish movement right out the gate. Oh, wait. These are equal highs. So it's not an SMT. But also, that was almost 5 hours ago. sticky note of goals for the day. Okay, bearish opening. I expect we're gonna come take out these London lows. There's an SMT right here on the 5-minute. It's so small. Higher highs on ES and lower highs on NQ. ES is the lagging index. NQ is the leading index, which probably means that it's more likely that NQ is going to come reach these lows just because it's closer to these lows than ES. Even though we usually take the lagging index because there's more room for a trade and more room for profitability. But like I could take a 1-minute equilibrium and I could short right now, but I don't really want to. We're gonna get an SMT here too at these lows. Strong opening 5-minute candle. Let me say, strong opening candle. I found a trade entry. SMT 1-minute equilibrium and break structure. But it's 9:30. And 1-minute equilibrium, I'm more comfortable on 5-minute equilibrium. Even though these lows are definitely looking like they're going to get hit. We did inverse gap. Yeah, these lows are getting crushed. But I'm not going to enter a trade late. I missed the 5-minute inverse gap. But I'm not going to enter all the way down here. I'm going to need a little retrace if I want to enter. Damn, I didn't see the inverse gap. God. That's too bad. The question is, are we going to retrace high after this liquidity sweep? Or are we going to reach more lows? I did say I wanted these lows to be taken out. But I just don't know if it's asking too much on a after bank holiday price action. Okay, NQ has swept these lows. We've also made an SMT at these lows. Just quick liquidity sweep SMT. People are going to be taking longs off this. The SMT is still intact. We're just above these London lows. People are going to be taking longs off of NQ right here. He's got friends on the other side. Okay, we're definitely making a move up. We're definitely retracing. About to create a 5-minute gap. If that gets tapped in, yo, what's up, Kofo? We're still respecting the SMT at these lows. NQ had a liquidity sweep. ES is not. The ES is looking to take London lows right here. Unless we retrace into this 5-minute gap, that'd be nice. I would love to reach these lows because all these people taking long positions right here, I think, is providing liquidity to the upside, but I think that's just the retrace we need to then go lower. So if we retrace into this 5-minute, like ES is about to do, I'd be more confident in taking shorts. Yo, what's up, Kofo? First time chatter. What's up, Beast? You're my top fan right now. NQ, NASDAQ, ES, S&P. Hell yeah. Papa Pow is speaking at 12:20. And because Monday was a bank holiday, usually price action is a little slower after a bank holiday. But price action has not been slow this far. We've gotten a lot of bearish price action. We're looking bearish to these lows, these Trump Friday tariff news lows. Yeah, see, all these people that took long positions right here are getting stopped out. Now ES is about to sweep London lows. But we did not get the retrace I wanted. We're just creating more imbalances in price action. Get rid of this SMT. It's no longer valid. ES has now sweeped London lows. Oh yeah, getting a lot of volume to the downside right now. In almost a minute, there's going to be a new gap. Yeah, I could have taken the trade to London lows, but I was not confident in the 1 minute equilibrium because I never really trade with that confluence. And it would kind of be a rush. Just like, I'm not a scalper, I'm not taking 30-second inversions. And yeah, I'm a intraday trader. But it is definitely looking like we're going to take these lows sooner or later. It's all been bearish price action so far. That's scaring me because where's the retrace? A lot of times equilibrium is the same as filling fair value gap. Yeah, we're back to Friday levels or worse actually. It's like a healthy pullback. Yeah. Go on the 4-hour. These are the Friday lows, and we're looking like we're gonna come back to this on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I would love a retrace too, Coffee. You're right on the money, my friend. Because I don't want to just blindly enter a short position when we're already so many points down. Here we go. On the new 5-minute candle, we are getting some bullish movement. It's looking like we are going to fill fair value gap. We already have an SMT, which is one confluence at market open. We have higher highs on ES and lower highs on NQ. That's an SMT. Yeah, I changed my chart colors from green and red to teal and white because I'm trying to be cool and not boring. My old chart colors were red and white, but something about the blue makes me jiggle and giggle. Sleepy time colors for real. Really? I've not been seeing I've seen like some people make a lot of money off crypto, but I'm not on that side of TikTok. Yeah. I remember when I had my Robinhood account. Those were the days before you put me onto E-Trade. All the people in triple leveraged positions getting crushed, and people that think crypto is as stable as they think it is, and then they just got destroyed, millions and thousands. Yes, crypto's the new thing, but we only have so much information since the big boom in 2017 when Bitcoin and the trend of cryptocurrencies started becoming big. But stocks have been around for what, like 200 plus years? We are getting a healthy retrace on ES and NQ. This is probably because we do have a liquidity sweep here and we swept London lows, so we are getting a pullback. A lot of people are going to take this opportunity to go long because it's very easy to see we swept price. So what's your instinct? To go higher, to take a long, because this is a key level of London lows. So let's see if we enter one of these gaps. See if we can send price lower. I was gonna say I'd like to take a trade on the S&P. I think we're closer to these lows. You always get the 18-year-olds in bull markets. We were 18, 21, everybody's. Yeah. Following the hype train. In a bull market, anything's possible for these young bucks. They see infinite opportunity. And yeah, but the market, especially long-term investing, is a game of decades. The chef equals spaghetti. Imagine if I bought into the chef. Oh god. Well, I did buy into Enphase. I'm still holding for Cope. So could have kept it afloat. Yeah, look at all these red folder news tentative because the government is shut down. Who knows if we're actually going to get PPI, core retail sales, and stuff like that. But if that doesn't happen, Thursday or Wednesday, there's no high impact news, and Friday there's no high impact news. So that looks like there would be good days to trade. I'm a little scared of the price movement that Powell is going to speak about at 12:20, but I never enter a trade usually past 11 nowadays. So if I'm on the charts at 12:20, I'll just be watching it. Enphase is a much better company. They got cooked by high rates and tariffs, and no one give a fuck about solar anymore. Should come back on. Yeah, I'm kind of just holding because how do I say it? Like the reason I bought the stock is still the same. So why not just hold and see if we come back to the hype train someday? What's he speaking on? I'm not too sure. His assessment of recent inflation prices and labor market rebalancing. I'm guessing it's kind of standard stuff. From terrible markets? Who are you? Who are you, pal? Also got kicked out of S&P. Next decision is 29th, so this is going to be boring. Just yapping about inflation, labor markets, and tariffs. Okay, makes sense. But yeah, this is the website where I get all my news data. Forex Factory, and it's free. So, how long is the government going to be in shutdown? What is Trump doing? Okay, refill this gap right here. Oh, on both ES and NQ. I'm a little nervous that we are now going to become bullish. Let's see if we inverse this gap or not. Yeah, we're definitely inversing this gap. Oh, we inverse the gap on ES. Oh, geez. What a pullback. ES, inverse this gap. NQ hasn't yet. Sometimes the market does like to move in one direction and then reverse for the rest of the day bias. Let's look on the 1 hour, see what's popping. I did say it's definitely going to take a lot for us to come reach these Asian highs in this daily gap, because I don't think that's going to happen. We'd have to inverse all this bearish price action right here. And I just don't see that happening, especially with price action after a bank holiday. Usually it's not the best, like I've said many, many times. We've inversed this gap, but we're yes, but inverse this too. God damn. What is the bias for the day? What is going on? Sometimes this will just happen. We're gonna inverse this. Yep. I might be long now. Hold up. Wait a minute. London highs are so close though. And that's this blue line is the only thing I'd like to target. Let's see what NQ does with this gap. Oh my god. Goddamn Polymarket. Didn't the CEO just become like a billionaire or something? First sports betting and now Polymarket. Yeah. Everything's a casino. What's going on? Taking advantage of young men trying to 10x their money. And women. But mainly men. Jeez, Louise, mom. Okay, we are getting a little pullback here on NQ. Let's see if we can respect this gap or not. S&P Fair Value Gap. Unless we get a break of structure before these lows right here. This is kinda what I'm looking at right now. Get your elixir coffee. Get your elixir. Anything please. There's too much bullish pressure right now. Probably gonna get a break of structure sometime soon, but look what's happening. Hmm. This is a tricky one. We swept line and lows, so the instinct is to go higher. And I low-key think that's what we're gonna do. Bad RR though. Hmm. Hmm. This is tough. If we inverse this gap, I'm going long. Price action is moving, slowing down.
Order filled.
We're in. ES is way more likely to hit London highs, which I think will happen. But the question is, are we going to get a liquidity sweep in the S&T from these highs? So we're in a trade. I took longs to London highs because I think that's way more achievable than these Trump data lows, and it's way more achievable than these Asian highs right here in the daily gap. How was your raid? Get some good dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. I just can't disregard this liquidity sweep, and after we inverse so many fair value gaps, it's just, oh, nice. It's pretty cool. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. All right. Not the builder set. You know the builder set can attack now? Like what has cock become? Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. Yeah, no, little side quest here and there. Dark loot. We're getting a big bearish reaction right now. Not big, just a little bit. New 5-minute candle just dropped. Dark loot, light loot, all types of loot. POTUS. Umbilical cord. It's time to pray. Sometimes you just gotta pray to the gods. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes this is what happens. Never mind. I said, I don't give a shit about your prayer. Now we kind of do some side quests. Is this game still... Hello? They shut Slither down? Damn, what a shame. What's the other one? Let's do some side quests. Finish the Wordle. You're so right, King. You're right. Oh, this guy got guts. All right. Long. Cool. Bounce on the shit, dance. Bounce on the shit, dance. Not bonus. Boner. Ooh. Oh, this is never you. I'm a bomba clot. At least we got the R though. R. Roman? No. Roman numeral? Roha. Roha. Hmm. Oh. It's not. Sure. Yo, Kafo. I got 1 minute. I'm on Family Feud. What is the color of Pikachu? Is he black, green, white, or yellow? Yellow? All right, bet. Heard that. I'm going yellow. Course? No. Coral? No. You're more. Yo, that hint is so funny. It kind of rhymes with Grigum. Gugum, Gigum, Grigum, Huggin. Kind of rhymes with Grigum, but there's an O. I know this is wrong, but I just want to guess this. Are you okay? blank O. Are you? Are you? Grigum ligum. Kind of rhymes with Grigum. Kind of rhymes with Grigum. Well, I don't know if that's throwing me off or helping me. When you're a bad boy, Yinka grabs the shoe. Okay. Grigum. 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 Ligum. Ligum. Ligament. Grigum. Cortipi. Grigum. Form. Wow. Grigum. Forum. Grigum. Forum. Well, we got it. I don't know. I don't know if that rhymes, but hey, Grigum. Forum. It's a that's fair. That's fair. It's a Bergency hint. It's a hint for the Bergency. Open to interpretation, I see. Yo, Kofo, look at my karambit. I wish it was a Doppler, but it's a rainbow fade. Some may say. Just in case there's any intruders. And I need a quick little rotate. And I need a little A-long confidence. If there's an intruder at my door. Some B-hops. Now it's a little familial mare, but you know, I forgot about Nectarifu. I'd say that's a deep pull. As much as views spending a yearly salary on cases and knives. Remember when you used to just like gaslit or just made You're right. It's missing. It's missing some stuff. But remember when you used to just keep telling Josh to just keep opening cases for our enjoyment and his downfall, but potentially his profit. It's just like Bomba Ras. Bomba Rasclad. Yo, Kofo, remember this? That's the good stuff. Oh my god, H1 cases. That's so funny. I'm reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. Trying to get in habits. I got so many trinkets on my desk. It's kind of unbelievable. Funko Pops, knife, chapstick, nail clippers, lighter, razor guard, chip clip. I remember he used to just like down a 6-pack of Corona at our age. I was just like, what's going on? I'm like, I respect the drinking, but oh, word? You talked to him or what? I just finished. This is a W trade. Hopefully we can take profit sometime soon. Be real nice. We got a big 5-minute candle right here. I think I may need to do some more praying. Diddly la diddly. Diddly la diddly. Diddly la diddly. Nah, he has his good. Oh, goodly. Oh, heard that? Software engineering portfolio website. Wow, are you guys tapped in or what? I didn't even know that was a thing. Come on. Where's the magnet? Oh, there's a magnet icon. I don't want that. You bomba Ross. You bomba Ross Cloud. Come on, we're so close. Sir, this is not what we need right now. This is not what we need. Come on. Look at these wicks. These are the most bullish wicks I've ever seen. The body of the candle is all the way up here. Look at these bullish wicks. Sometimes you just gotta blow at the charts.
Order filled.
Bang. Bang, bang, sniper gang. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. W trade. We are done for the day. We had a liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap, breaker structure. Those are the three confluences we got, and we get three confluences, so you know that's how we're ready to enter a trade. And we entered yeah. There was a break structure a while ago, but the market loves to go in one direction at market open and then completely reverse it for the rest of the day. It's kind of weird, but trend is friend, as they say. That is 700 doubloons right there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I think that's it. Thank you, Kofo, for riding along with me. First time chatter. Hope to see you in more streams. You're a very smart and talented young Ute. I think we can learn a lot together. All right, guys. Peace out.